What is that? It's carrying heavy things.
I told him I was coming.
We are going to take him where he is. That's where you will put on that.
Can see. This force you see here, they were combing along the border with the Central African. This force you see here, they were combing along the border with the Central African and DRC to make sure that no enemy is left behind us. So our main effort or our main operations are in Central Africa, and this force you are seeing are entering into Central African Republic. Border with Central Africa and Democratic Republic of Congo. It is very far from here. I would say that where is our north?
Yeah, it's east.
This is east. This is the north. If directly north, that is the Central African Republic, where we can reach a small town called Obo. If we go further south in Democratic Republic of Congo, there is a smaller center called Asa.
How do you respond, Colonel, to
but we are ready to deal with the LRA according to how we shall get intelligence information from the Americans.
And I know, final question, I know this is difficult to say.
Once intelligence is given, I don't think that intelligence is given to LRA and to UPDF. It means that we have intelligence on LRA. They don't have information that we have intelligence on them. We shall be able to catch up with them before they get to know that we have good intelligence from them.
Thank you, Colonel.
Thank you.
Can you say it is an organized?
It is totally not organized. LRA is not an organized group. LRA is on the run. LRA is depleted, and it will never reorganize themselves to cause any threat to our country, Uganda.
How far is this area from, say, our border, Uganda?
What kind of political process evolved, and how when did this start?
There was some agreements between the two countries. UPDF would not find itself in the Central African Republic or Democratic Republic of Congo, South Sudan, but there were some bilateral agreements between the countries to agree and pursue the LRA wherever they are. And these are agreements that are renewable by the countries involved.
So how long have you been on the ground in CAR and Congo?
We are talking of 3 years in CAR, 3 years in Democratic Republic of Congo.
And can you give us a sense of the quality of the CAR army? Again, my apologies, I don't know much about the CAR. Does it have